How to recover permanently deleted files and folders in Windows 11. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted files and folders on Windows 11. So make sure to watch till the end and don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, go to search and type Microsoft Store. Once it opens, search for Windows File Recovery. You'll see it's an official app developed by Microsoft. Go ahead and download and install it. Once it's installed, open the app. The interface might look a bit complicated, but don't worry, it's actually pretty simple. Now in the app, start by typing winfrc_d/nstar.pdf. Here's a breakdown. Replace C with the drive where the files were originally deleted. Replace D with the drive where you want to save the recovered files. Replace PDF with the file type you want to recover, like docx, JPG, MP4, etc. If you're using a USB, you can replace D with your USB drive letter. Then hit enter and the tool will begin scanning and recovering those deleted files. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.